I am Miss Maiza, and today I will teach you about simple present tense. But before that, we need to know each other first, okay? My name is Maiza and I am your teacher for today. I will teach about simple present tense. So, anyone here knows what simple present tense is? Anyone? No? Or have you heard about simple present tense? Yes? Okay. I'm sure all of us already familiar with simple present tense. Even when we are talking for daily conversation, every day, every minute, or every time, even every time, we use simple present. Okay, but what is simple present actually? Before we going to discuss it more deeper, let's take a look on the PowerPoint slide. Okay, here says that simple present in English, we use it to describe habits, general truths, and unchanging situation, also fixed arrangement. Okay guys, have a look on this slide. There are examples. I eat sandwich. I do not eat sandwich. And do I eat sandwich? Okay everyone, have you guys seen it? Can you guys see the example? Okay, so we can see from the sentence that those sentences are showing habits of someone. Someone is eating, okay? Someone is eating a sandwich. They try to inform us that someone might eat the sandwich, not eat the sandwich, questioning if they eat the sandwich or not. Get it? Okay, from the example is only use the plural subject. What about the third person singular or the singular on simple present, like subject she, he, and it? Is there any difference? Okay everyone, we move to the next slide. So in the third person singular, the verbs always ends in s. Like for example here, she wants an ice cream. He thinks fast. Anna gives the gloves to him. Okay, we can see the subject she, he, and names, someone's names. In the verb, they ends with with s. Okay, got it? So the differences between plural subject and singular subjects are the plural and singular subject is in the verb. Okay, so if you use the plural subjects, we don't need to add s on our verb. But if we use the singular or third person singular on the sentence, we need to add s on the verb. Got it? Okay everyone, we move to the next slide. So we will talk about forming the simple present tense or the simple present tense form. We know that there are only 3 forms in sentences. Okay, the first one is positive, the second one is negative, and the third one is interrogative. What is interrogative? Interrogative is the question. We are questioning. Okay, So we take a look from we take a look from the positive form. Okay. There is the formula subject plus verb 1 plus object. Okay, take a look on the example. I walk on the street. They work together. He buys Nintendo. She loves her cat. Okay, take a look from the example number 1 and 2, and then 3 and 4. Okay, the example 1 and 2 is only the basic form without anything, without adding any suffixes s. Okay, so the example 3 and 4, on the verb we add suffix s. Okay, like the verb buy, we add s, so it becomes buys because the subject he. And then the verb love, we add s, and it becomes loves because the subject is she. Okay, understand everyone? Okay, next, negative form. Negative form, we use in negative form we use not, but cannot just stand alone in the sentence. Of course no, we have to add do or does, depend on the subject. If the subject is I, you, they, we use do. But if it's she, he, it and names, we use does. Okay, get it? Alright, so wait. Okay, so negative questions, negative form, use does for the singular subject she, it, while the plural use do. Okay, you add the first thing you have to do is put the do or does first after the subject, and then you add not after the do and does. Get it? Okay, we can see from the formula subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Okay, take a look on the example. I do not eat vegetables. We do not talk about her. Okay, that's for the plural. And we come to the singular one. She does not a vegetarian. He does not throw the ball. See the difference? If it's the subject plural, we use do. If the subject is singular, we use does. And to make it negative, just add not after do and does. Get it? Alright, we move to interrogative form. It is when we want to asking to someone. Okay, it is different. It is different from the positive and negative. Why? Because the do and does is in the first sentence. We use it in the first sentence. So we use do and does first, and after that subject, and after that verb 1, and then object, and don't forget the question mark. Okay, because it is a question. Let's take a look from the example. Do I know you? Do they sleep? Does she work? Does he play Roblox? Okay, it's a little bit the same as the negative form, but the difference is just do does first and then subject followed by subject. But negative is subject, do does, and not, because it's negative. Okay? So, in interrogative form, it is also depend on the subject. If the subject is plural, we use do. But if the subject is singular, we use does. Okay, class? Is it easy to understand it? Okay, I hope this explanation really helped. Okay, maybe I'll see you in the next learn in the next teaching. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.